Thanks a lot for staying with us. Now, 2 days after the factory blast that left 8 people dead and several injured in West Bengal's Egra, the case is now before the Calcutta High Court. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee hasn't raised any objection to the NIA taking over the case, while the BJP continues to demand the resignation of the Chief Minister, following which a massive political face-off has also erupted. Today, the West Bengal BJP President Sengupta Majumdar will visit the blast site and will also meet victims of this blast. And some breaking developments now coming in, where we now understanding the High Court in fact has asked the state government to file a report on this blast. They're also suggesting the government to add the Explosive Act in this case. The court is also asking for a report from the government on the CID investigation and what it has learned so far. It is also asking the government to provide security in that village. We're also now understanding the next hearing for this case will be on the 12th of June. Let's also now bring in our colleague Kamalika Sengupta. Kamalika, first help us understand what are we hearing from the Calcutta High Court.
So this petition was filed by the leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari yesterday, and it was listed today. Today in the morning, 10:30, it was mentioned, and then it came up for hearing in the Court of Chief Justice. And there it has been, prima facie, it has been directed by the court. The court has asked the state government to file a detailed report on the Egra Blast incident, and also has asked the state government to submit the report of the CID investigation, because the case has already been handed over to CID. What comes out of the CID investigation, what is coming out of the CID investigation, that report is also the state government has to submit to the court. Along with that, very interestingly, the court has also stated and suggested the state government to add Explosive Substance Act in this FIRs, because although there was a big blast took place in Egra, but the FIR that has been lodged by police has no mention of this Explosive Substance Act. Now, the court has suggested the state government, suggested the agencies to include that. Now, this is also a question by the opposition, why Explosive Act is not included.
Sure.
And that's why NIA is required. That's what the claim of the opposition is.
Okay.
And also, the court has asked the government to provide security in the village. There was a plea from the Shubhendu Adhikari side that paramilitary forces should be given there. But since it's a law and order issue, right now the court has let the security portion on the state government.
Sure. And the next hearing we're understanding is the 12th of June. Kamalika, we leave the conversation there. Thanks a lot for getting us all those details.